Hello, so this is a tutorial on how you can enter attendance manually. I am in a Learning Coach demo account right now. So this should kind of be what your landing page looks like as the Learning Coach. If not, let me know. But you should see in your today's to-do list an area where you can enter attendance. And if you click on that, it should take you to the day that we're on for today. Now you don't see it on this demo account, but you should see near the bottom, you might have to scroll down. There should be an area that says physical education, and then all you have to do is click into that and then just enter in 30 minutes in the physical education area. Now I'm going to close that out. Another way that you might be able to see it is if you go to your plan page. If you have multiple students, their names are gonna appear here, but obviously right now it's just showing me all the grades. So say you click on your third grade student, and then there you can also go down to attendance. And then once you get there, you are also able to access the area to input it manually. Again, you don't see it on this demo account, but there should be one area that says physical education. If you don't see that, let me know. It might be something that we have to get added to the online school. Maybe it got missed or something like that. All right, thanks.